Hello, class, and welcome to our first demonstration. I just wanted to introduce you to our pencil tools so far. So we have a kneaded eraser here. The kneaded eraser is great because you can form it and change it and manipulate it into different shapes. It's really good for charcoal, which we'll do in Module 2. Then I have a white plastic eraser, which is just kind of a standard eraser. And then a pencil sharpener is really handy too. There's many different kinds of these. Mine has a little container, but there's also ones like this. If you have an open one, I just recommend getting a little bowl or something that you can shave your shavings in. It helps keep it a little bit smoother and easier to clean up. So now we have our pencils, and our pencils come in different numbers. So maybe you can see here, if I bring it up a little closer, notice how that has, let's see if I can get the glare on it right. It has a number on here. This one says 2B here. Those numbers indicate the hardness or the softness. So I have what's called a 2H here. So a 2H is a very hard pencil. Notice how light it is. These lines are very light that it creates. So it's very hard, it's very light. What you need to be careful though is if you press too hard with this pencil, because it's so hard, you will actually indent your paper, and then even after you erase it, and then if you come over the top of it, you can still have like kind of a ghost line left there. I don't know if you can see it on there, but there's a little line there that is still visible. So that's what you want to be careful about with the hard pencils. But if you draw lightly by holding the pencil out here to the end, it will create very light marks, which is very handy. From there, your pencil set goes up to like an HB or an H, depending on your set. An HB will just be a little bit darker, as you can see. Then it keeps climbing into the Bs. The Bs are where things start to get softer. So this is a 2H, which is like your standard yellow pencil. Notice that's darker even more. I also have a 3B here that gets a little bit softer and a little bit darker. And then there's 4Bs, 5B, 6B. 6B is the one I asked you to make sure you have. I think that's one of the most versatile ones. It's pretty good. It gets really nice and dark, which is quite nice. Now, they do go up even further. This one here is a 9B. Notice how dark that is. So if yours go up that far, that's great. The only ones you need to really have for this course are a 2H, a 2B, and a 6B. But if you have other ones, that's fantastic. All right, so those are our pencils.